When we talk about sensual touch, most people talk about women and where they like to be touched. However, all those little touches, nibbles, and kisses that ladies love also have the power to drive men wild. Let me tell you that men love to get touched in various secret sensual places on their bodies by the women they love and care for. Yes, men also have erogenous zones, and as his romantic partner, you should explore those places. So, these are the 7 places where men love to be touched and how you should touch these places. Number 1. Play with his neck. The human neck is full of nerve endings, but this particular area of a man's body is often sadly neglected. He loves to get kissed and licked there just like you do. So, unleash the gentle vampire in you and look at his neck with a changed perspective. Come up from behind him and kiss him just below his ear. Nibble lightly on the back of his neck. Run your tongue slowly up the front and softly stroke around his hairline with your fingertips. Whether you do it while you are both in the kitchen making dinner or after you have gone to bed, this is something he simply won't be able to get enough of. Number 2. Whispering in the ears. Whispering something in your man's ear might sound like something straight out of a romance novel, but the ears really are incredible erogenous zones. As well as verbal stimuli, there are sexy little areas that beg to be touched. Haven't you seen women biting their partner's ears for fun? This is because ears are a part of the body that men and women both love to get a touch on. Flick your tongue behind his ears in the area between the ears and the neck. Nibble, suck and tug gently on his earlobe with your lips. Tell him he smells good or how much you love kissing him. Find out which ear is more sensitive and focus on that one. But please don't ever kiss or insert your tongue into the ear canal as it's irritating for the person receiving the kisses. Number 3. Run your fingers through his hair. Do you love when your guy runs his finger through your hair and play with them? Now, imagine being with him, watching the woman he likes staring up at him as she seductively runs her fingers through his hair. Every man's hair is very different and unique. When you express that you love his hair, he feels it in a very unique way because you are appreciating a very unique part of him. Add to that the intense physical stimulation of a head massage and you are well on your way to fireworks. Number 4. Tease his fingertips and his feet. Massaging and playing with each other's hands and feet can quickly turn into heated sex, even if you are initially doing it for relaxation or affection while you are on the couch watching Netflix. Fingertips especially are extremely sensitive, not to mention perfect tools for teasing. When you play with his hands, stare into his eyes and slowly bring his fingers into your mouth, it's obvious what he will be reminded of at this moment. Start to lick and suck his fingers and you will soon take the anticipation to a point of no return. Number 5. Play with his tongue. There's nothing more sensual than playing with each other's tongues, especially when you initiate doing so. It's intimate, teasing and guaranteed to turn him on. Start by lying down on the bed and lightly licking his lower lip. Ask him to poke his tongue out and get ready to be creative. Circle your tongue around his, gently suck it and pull back slightly. He will be begging for more, and when you spice up your kissing life by tantalizing his tongue, so will you. Number 6. Be creative with his nipples. Yup, men have nipples too and many of them love your touch. To find out if he does, start with slow, gentle touches and gauge his response or straight out ask him if he likes it. Though his nipples might not be quite as sensitive as yours, it's likely they will be up for a good time. Try different types of touching with your fingers and tongue. Circle around his nipple, flick your tongue back and forth or try a gentle bite. If you really want to up the ante, rub ice over them and blow on the wet surface. Basically, if it works for you, chances are it will work for him too. Number 7. Touch his inner thighs. Sometimes withholding touch can be just as sexy as touching, as you no doubt know. His inner thighs are not only close to his favorite sexual region, they are also a sensitive erogenous zone. Slowly rub your nails along them when you are both watching TV, or lick, nibble and gently bite on them when you are in bed during foreplay. The closer you get, the more he will want you to go for the gold. There are 3 more sensual regions in a man's body, but they are so private and erogenous that I can't share those on YouTube. I have included those in my ebook on how to make your man get completely obsessed with you. With these regions, I have also shared other secrets and techniques to make him turned on like a beast. Download the ebook for free only for a limited period of time. The link is in the description box below. If you liked this video, share your experiences and inputs on the topic below in the comment section. Also, subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. See you in the next video. Take care.